Here's how to recover hacked Telegram account. If someone has accessed your account and changed the registered phone number or recovery email, these steps can help you contact Telegram support and request assistance. First, open your web browser and search for Telegram support. Press enter, then open the official Telegram website from the search results. Find the support form and click inside the description field. Explain that your account has been hacked and include the date you last successfully accessed it. You'll also need to provide the email address and phone number that were previously linked to your account. This information can help Telegram support identify and verify your account. Next, scroll down and enter your current email address and phone number so the support team has a way to contact you. Complete the remaining fields in the form by entering your name and any other information requested. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit to send your request to Telegram support. After submitting the form, you'll need to wait for the support team to respond. This may take some time, and they could ask you to provide additional information or documentation to confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.